Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the special services in the Bangkok Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down a bit, just click on the Special Services button. And as you can see, here are all the special services that this airline provides. So there are special meal services, mobility assistance, there are special services for young travelers and expectant mothers. You can even travel with your pet and reserve extra seats. So as you can see, there are a lot. So if you're interested in any of them, you can just click on that. And here is a very detailed description for traveling as an expectant or traveling with an expectant mother. So yeah, you will find everything here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.